Hello, my cute people, back in a pirate's boat. And today I'm going to play a game with you. We have to spell on time the words that show up here and are not super clear. If we are correct, we will get coins and fill up our treasures. For the contrary, if not, our coins will disappear. So we have to do it well. Let's do it. Okay. Yesterday I played, right? I played. So we need to find those letters. P-L-A-Y-E-D. But where are they? Oh, look at those parrots. Wait a second, they're moving too fast. We need to find them. Come on. P-L-A-Y E and D. Where is D? Where is D? And D here. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. So yes, the word is played. P-L-A-Y-E-D. Great, we have it. Okay, let's go for one more. She ate some cookies. Easy and short. Okay, we need to find the letters. A-T-E. A-T-E. So where are they? These parrots are moving super fast. A, T, and E. Yes, E, there. Great. Okay, we have it. We have it. And more coins are coming into our treasures. I love it. They had some costumes. Again, short. H-A-D. Thank you for that, H-A-D. So where are those letters in the parrots? They go super fast. Can we make some magic and slow them down? Let me just try. Parrots, slow down the beat and let me read. They're going slower. H-A-D-H. A and D. Great. Yes. Well done. One more. Okay. And the last sentence, we didn't watch the film. We didn't watch? Is that the word we need to find? Didn't? Is a bit longer. Okay. So the letters are D-I-D and apostrophe T. Okay. All right. Too many letters to remember. And if the parrots are that fast, I need to stop them. Okay, let's use the magic again and say, parrots, please stop and freeze. Yes, they all stopped moving. So, let's find the letters. D, I, D, N, apostrophe, T. Great! Didn't. Great! We did it! We actually did it! Great! And look at our treasures! Whoa! So many coins! Great!
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello friends, so this is the last page about the past simple and we are in this activity, part 1. Choose the right answer and remember, now we're talking about past situations. So, were they creepy ghosts? Were they 2 creepy ghosts? No, they weren't. We have 1 ghost, but this one is a butterfly. So, no, they weren't. We can trace it over. We can trace it over like this and make it like a big circle, yes? Was she a bad witch? Yes, she was. Yes, she was. And look, was she in the past? Yes, she was. So let's trace over. And if you want to make it like cuter, we can make it with the green one. She was. Yes. Now let's go and let's do the next one. Were we scared Were we scared by spiders? Yes, we were. No, she wasn't. Yes, we were. They got scared. Yes. So, yes. Were. Well done. Was he a wizard? Yes, he was. No, he wasn't. Yes, he is a magician. So, was he a wizard? Yes, he was. Yes, he was. And then, were you a pilot? Yes, you were. No, you weren't. Yes, you were. So, what do you have to pay attention to? When we are using like was and were in past simple questions, were you a witch? The way to answer is this way. You say yes, I was. No, I wasn't. Yes, you were. No, you weren't. Okay? Pay attention to the question. And if you have, were they creepy ghosts? No, they weren't. Where was he a wizard? Yes, he was. So you just need to pay attention to the question and put the verb and subject in a different order. Now let's find the past simple form of each word in the word search. But then first we need to remember how are they written in the past form. Play is played. Played. P-L-E-Y-E-D. Played. And where is played in here? Played, 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 played. I found it. Played is here. Yes. Now, eat is ate. Ate. So, eight is here. Wow, that was fast. Now, let's go for another one. Dance is what? Danced. Danced. And danced is in here. Great. Then we have sleep. Sleep is where? Sleep is slept. So S-L-E-P slept. Where is a slept? In here. Wow, I'm finding all the words like extremely fast, guys. And then make is made. Made. So, and made, I found it before here. Made. Well done. Very, very good. Well done, guys. Let's keep learning and the last concept of this book.